We have been given the first 5 terms of a quadratic sequence, and we have been asked to find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of the sequence, okay? And this question is worth 3 marks. So, what we're going to do is we're first going to find the primary difference. So 10 to 21, okay, is 11. 21 to 38 is 17. 38 to 61 is going to be 23. And 61 to 90 is going to be 39. Now we're going to find the differences between the differences. So 11 to 17, okay, I'm just going to do it like this, is 6. 11 to 23 is 6. Sorry, this one is 29, not 39. And then 23 to 29 is also 6, okay? So if we're giving our nth term, okay, as an squared plus bn plus c, because it's quadratic, a is going to be the second difference divided by 2. Okay, this is a rule. So it is going to mean that a equals 6 over 2, which equals 3. So we're going to have our sequence, which is 10, 21, 38, 61, and 90. We will have here n, and then we have here 3n squared. Okay, so n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 times 2 is, so 2 2's are 4, times 3 is 12. 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27. 4 squared is 16, times 3 is 48. 5 squared is 25, times 3 is 75, like that, okay? Now we're going to do our, so this is our terms, sorry. We're going to do our terms minus 3n squared, like that. So it's 10 minus 3, which is 7. 21 minus 12, so 21 minus 12 is 9. 38 minus 27 is 11. 61 minus 48 is 13. And 90 minus 75 is 15, like that, okay? The term-to-term rule for each of these is you add 2, so plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, and plus 2. So that means that b equals 2, okay? Now we're going to find c, okay? And we're going to just do terms minus 3n squared plus 2n, like that, okay? I'm actually just going to move it slightly this way a bit to give a bit more writing space, actually. There we go. So if we draw this all the way here, so we have 3n squared plus 2n. In this case, it is going to be 5. I'm just going to rub out this plus 2 on each part here to give us some space to write, okay? So it's 5 here. Then with n equals 2, so it's going to be 12 plus 4, which is 16. Then we have 27 plus 6, which is 33. We have 48 plus 8, which is 56. And then we have 75 plus 10, which is 85. Okay. Now we are going to be looking at our term minus 3n squared plus 2n. So this is going to be 5. 21 minus 16 is 5. 38 minus 33 is 5. 61 minus 56 is 5. And 90 minus 85 is 5. Okay. So that means that c equals 5. So we can write it in our answer space here that finally we're looking at 3n squared. We said b was 2 plus 2n plus c of being 5. This question is 3 marks. The first mark comes from a correct start to the method to find the nth term. So finding the second difference of the n squared. Okay, so as we have done, which is going to be here. The second mark comes from getting that the first term of the quadratic is 3, so the coefficient of the quadratic term is 3, and getting the sequence 7, 9, 11, etc. here. So here is your second mark. Your third and final mark comes from getting the correct final answer.